Hey everybody, it's Dr. C. I hope everybody survived the storm well without a lot of damage and a lot of anxiety. I think we're a little bit lucky up here compared to down south. So hope everybody is doing well. God bless you all and do well. You know we're committed to lifelong learning in this office, and we study very hard to bring you the absolute best in hormone therapies, functional medicine, and preventative medicine. So we just got back from Albuquerque a couple of weeks ago where we had our annual update. And every year we focus on a particular topic of interest that's very important to the health and well-being of our patients. This year we focused on dementia and Alzheimer's disease. And I want to let you know it's absolutely fascinating. Did you all know that being hormonally balanced can reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease by over 80%? That's right. When estradiol level falls both in men and particularly in women, the lack of estradiol leaves the brain unprotected and leads to the development of dementia that can be truly prevented. Now I'll tell you what, we spend billions of dollars of research every year trying to do better with Alzheimer's disease, yet a simple preventative measure like keeping your estradiol levels in a healthy range can do wonders for protecting your brain as well as other organs in your body. So, I hope you enjoy that little tidbit of information. I want you to know we're always out there working hard for you, trying to learn everything that we can to make sure we're bringing you the absolute best in preventative medicine, wellness, and hormone therapy.